Oh, I saw your question in the email. You look over the songs in the jukebox, determine that you like 18 out of 57, and I suppose that means 57 minus 18. 39 you do not like. You like 18 out of 57, and 39 you do not like. Part A, what is the probability that you like the next four songs that are played? Assume the song cannot be repeated. So probability you like the next four songs. In the bottom's total number of combinations. There are 57 songs. Choose, you don't pick four, choose four. The ones you like, there's 18 of them. So, choose four. That gives you all the combinations there. So you divide. Part B, probability you're not like the next four songs. Well, the denominator's same. It's still the same number of combinations. 57, choose four. But there's 39 you do not like. Choose four. Being the numerator, it gives you combinations there. Hopefully you know how to put this into the calculator and finish this. Hope this helps.